Hello, my name's Lindsay and I've been lecturing in Old Testament at Ridley College in Melbourne for the past 37 years. I'll be coming to Malaysia in February and March to do a course on reading Proverbs in Penang, as well as a workshop in biblical exposition on preaching Psalms in Kuala Lumpur in early March. These two books are really useful books for Christian ministry and for your own personal spiritual formation. They speak of God's involvement in our everyday lives, and of course, the Book of Psalms looks far beyond that to a range of responses to God in times of sadness and joy, in times of confusion and despair, in times of hope, in times of looking to God's promises. They're both terrific books, very helpful to know better, both for our understanding of worship, our understanding of how God's involved in our everyday lives, and how to use these books effectively and appropriately in Christian ministry. So I commend to you these two workshops, one in Penang, one in KL, on reading Proverbs and preaching Psalms.